Welcome into a NetStar video product presentation. Before we will start this presentation, let's say a couple words about a NetStar. Why to choose a NetStar? Originally, NetStar has been designed as a PBX, but we can use it in many other scenarios, which I'm going to introduce you right now. A NetStar can be used as a smart GSM gateway with add-on features and services. This scenario is called PBX Booster. We can also use a NetStar as a Centrex solution or like Centrex improvement and backup for internal calls. NetStar can be easily used as pure IP PBX solution. Another use of a NetStar can be primary connection backup, where NetStar is installed as smart gateway. And of course, a NetStar can be used also as a PBX with voice over IP, GSM, UMTS, ISDN and analog connection support. Let's focus on the first case study called PBX Booster. PBX Booster is a device which you can connect to any existing PBX via ISDN, analog or voice over IP interface. After that, your existing PBX can utilize the new features of a NetStar. The main benefit is that customers do not need to get rid of current PBX and can only increase the feature list by adding a NetStar. All these features you can have with a NetStar as a PBX Booster. What are the benefits to the customers and to the distributors? First of all, it is easy to convince customers. Each scenario can save the customer money. Each scenario can be supplemented by GSM UMTS voice over IP gateway. Customers can then reduce cost dramatically. Other services such as mobility extension, callback and at least cost routing can also reduce calling costs. Second of all, there is a huge market potential. You can offer PBX Booster to any company with its own PBX. PBXs are the most widespread communication system used by businesses around the world. If you consider the unbeatable compatibility of our PBX Booster with other systems, you can imagine its potential in your market. You can use a NetStar as a Centrex solution and connect it via the provider's voice over IP trunk services to an IP network. After that, customers can use Centrex and a NetStar services together. Thanks to other interfaces of a NetStar, customers can also use its services in other networks, especially mobility extension via GSM or PRI connectivity in case of IP trunk failure. We can use NetStar as a multiple analog IP converter with additional features and services. For example, we can use call recording directly on a NetStar and customers can then manage records by themselves. In case of IP trunks failure, then users connected to a NetStar are still able to make at least internal calls. Because a NetStar is a modular device, we can equip it by GSM gateway so users can make outgoing calls through GSM as well. Another case study is pure IP solution where NetStar is situated as IP PBX with integrated GSM gateway. The picture shows a NetStar in two branches that are connected via the IP network. It also shows integration with a Helios IP intercom is possible. Communication between these two branches can be free of charge or through voice over IP provider. A NetStar itself supports call recording, and records can be stored on any PC in the IP network. Thanks to Helios IP with integrated camera connected to 2N NetStar, you can watch on your video IP phone current person standing in front of your gate. Next feature which deserves to be mentioned is SIP provisioning. It enables you an easy installation of IP phones. You can just connect IP phones to NetStar, and NetStar will upload all settings to each phone with no need to set up them directly one by one. If your company has a PRI connection to a PSTN network, NetStar will automatically route all calls via GSM network in the event of PRI line failure. But GSM is not only one opportunity. In case of main PSTN connectivity failure, we can route calls through another PRI or BRI or even through voice over IP. So in this scenario, NetStar represents a smart gateway which can be used like PBX Booster as well, with the possibility of PSTN connectivity backup, thanks to its modularity. Last scenario, which we will go through in this video presentation, is NetStar as a PBX system. Thanks to analog ISDN, GSM, UMTS, and voice over IP interface support, you can choose the best and the most cost-effective type of connection to telephone network. Besides standard PBX features, we can point out that 2N NetStar supports call recording and can be connected to the third-party systems by CTI interface. Thank you for your attention.